How to log out of Yahoo Mail account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Yahoo Mail account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Yahoo Mail application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, in the space at the top left, you'll be able to see the human icon or the profile icon. Tap on this profile icon, and by doing so, you'll access the side menu. From the side menu here, you'll be able to see Manage Account option. Go ahead and tap on Manage Accounts, and by doing so, you will reach to this page. In this page here, you'll be able to see your currently logged in Yahoo Mail account. At the right side, you'll be able to see the toggle button, which is currently turned on. That means you are logged into this account. Now to log out from this account, you simply need to tap on that toggle button and turn it off. Tap on the toggle button and a pop-up will appear here. Here it says that once you turn off an account, no one can access your data in this application. If you agree with that, go ahead and tap on Turn Off Account, and then you will be successfully logged out from your Yahoo Mail account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Yahoo Mail account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.